Hey guys, glad to see you on my channel. For me, Bollinger Bands are not just words, they're your keys to success in the world of binary options. Watch further in the video how I use this powerful tool on different assets and make trading easier and more profitable. So let's move on the indicator tab. Let's take the Bollinger Bands indicator. The period value set to 12. And the second value set to 3. Next we save, and this is the picture we get. What are our next steps? We need to choose a currency pair and open a deal. Now we'll select an asset and you and I will analyze it and open the right position. So friends, we will work with this currency pair. Here I open a buy position. At this point, look carefully. Here I waited a little for the right movement, because in this case the price made a downward movement. It touched the Bollinger channel at the bottom point. Then we see a smooth reversal movement. Accordingly, on this reversal movement, we simply open a position to buy or continue. Well, as you can see, overall everything is going quite well. The only thing is that we often have a high volatility on our charts. So to avoid losses in case of volatility, your balance should be a little more than $50. That is so that you can successfully overlap and use the martingale strategy. So what does this mean? If your first trade of $50 closes in the red, then you have an additional $100 to cover the position that was unprofitable. So here we get a net positive. $46 on top made it. We set this amount, $96, and move on to the next currency pair. So friends, let's take this asset to work. Here we see the following picture. Our price is in an upward trend, approaches the Bollinger channel, the upper point, and here we expect a reversal from the upper channel. That is, if we look at previous situations, every time we touch the upper channel points, let's take this as an example, this situation and the extreme situation, that is ours. Here we are also just waiting for a reversal, and we are literally waiting for 30 seconds. So friends, our next deal is coming to an end. Here we received a good plus $184 on our balance. What do we do next? Let me now show you an example using martingale. I will open trades at $10, and if we make a loss, I will make correct overlaps. Let's move on to the next asset. So friends, let's take this currency pair as an example. Here I open a buy position at this point for 1 minute for $10. Look carefully, now our price is at the lower Bollinger channel. Accordingly, here we expect a price reversal at this point, but if our price goes down further, then we will open two overlap transactions at approximately this point. That is already at $20. So far everything is going well and our deal ends with almost a net positive. If there are no sharp fluctuations, in general 30 seconds remain and we wait for the result. So friends, unfortunately or fortunately, I was not able to make an overlap trade now. That is, my position turned out to be super profitable. I opened at the right point, caught the right reversal, and thereby made good money. Now we will still look for a situation for you where I can use overlap. My trading experience simply does not allow me to open losing trades. Let's move on. So friends, let's take this currency pair. Here I again open a buy position. Look carefully, the situation is somewhat remind of the previous one, because again our price touches the lower Bollinger channel. In fact, it didn't even touch. That is perhaps still very situation will be for us the very moment when we will open trades with you on overlap. That is, here we will most likely get a downward price movement, and approximately from this level we will open a cover trade. Look carefully, the volatility is quite good. In fact, we see that the green candle overlaps the other two. Well, this only means that here we most likely will not use the overlap, but we'll close in pure plus, because here we have quite a lot of buyer pressure. So another deal, another plus. Look friends, I opened two positions for $10 each. Accordingly, I did this in order to find such a situation for you and not risk your deposit. But nevertheless, by doing so, I missed two opportunities for myself to earn much more money. So I think we will end on this note. Overall, we have a rather interesting video, and I hope that in words I was able to convey to you the meaning of trading using martingale, and you will use it. Thank you all guys for watching. See you.